Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a classic glam makeup look. I have been wanting to do a wedding makeup look for the longest time, and it's finally here, you guys, using nice subtle colors that just kind of brightens up the face and gives you a nice glam wedding look. So you guys, let's get into this video. Alright, you guys, so in every video, I always do my brows first. That's like the first thing that I always do, so yeah. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. setting primer for my face. e.l.f. is a great collection. I absolutely love e.l.f. I'm not really sure if this is really water or not, but I'm going to spray it on anyways, and then I'm going to go in with this concealer stick by Black Radiance, you guys, and conceal and hide any of my spots that I do have on my face, because I don't want any flaws, and my face is actually clearing up, but I still have some marks here and there that I definitely want to hide to give me a nice flawless look. Next, I'm going to take my medium-sized beauty blender, and I'm actually going to blend out, smooth out that concealer onto my face, you guys, to give me a nice smooth finish. Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. white setting powder, and I'm actually going to set and seal in that concealer. Now, you guys, this works best because I have oily skin, and to prevent my oils from coming through my makeup, I have proven facts that this is actually working for me right now, because my makeup is flawless all day and I get so many compliments on it. So if you have oily skin, definitely do this procedure. It will work for you. I'm going to start off with my eyes first, you guys. I always do my eyes before my foundation, and so right now I'm going to use my MAC NC45 concealer to just prime my eyes. I do have an eye primer, and honestly I didn't think to use it until after I did this video, but if you wanted to use a concealer, you can use the concealer. If you want to use an eye primer just to prime your eyes to set your eyeshadow, definitely use something, you guys, because a lot of these eyeshadows are not pigmented. You guys, so now it's time to get into eyeshadow and colors and tones. I am going to be using my MAC Burgundy Times palette, you guys, because I absolutely love these colors. These colors are very neutral. They're transitional into summer, spring, fall, winter, whatever the season. This is a great palette for you to have in your makeup bag. So you guys, I am going to be using more of the softer pink tone colors because this is a wedding makeup look. I'm going to transition that color into a deep burgundy. All right, you guys, so now I am going to go in with my base color, which is going to be more of the lighter pink tones. Like I said, this is a wedding makeup look, so we want a nice soft glam. We don't want to use too much of the darker tones, so we do want to brighten that eye up and make it pop. All right, after I go in with my base color, which is two lighter pinks, I'm going to transition that color into a deep burgundy color, you guys. This is just honestly going to set the tone for my eye to give me a bold look, but still keep that nice softness there. So I'm going to transition it into that color, you guys, and then we're going to move on to our next step. After we complete that transition color, you guys, we are now going to go in with my MAC NC45 in a straight-in brush, and I'm going to cut my crease, you guys. Cutting the crease can be a little difficult. There are a variety of different ways you can cut your crease. I kind of make up my own way to cut my crease. Either way, you're going to be able to cut a crease and give you a more defined look, even if it takes you 10 minutes, 5, 1, whatever, however way you want to do it. But we're going to cut that crease, you guys, and then we're going to set that crease with a more lighter champagne color. Next, I'm going to take this gorgeous highlighter palette I got from Victoria's Secret. It's called Glow On and On and On. This is a really super cute palette. It has more of your champagne, your golds, and your pink champagne colors. And I'm actually going to use that lighter champagne color to set my crease, to make my eyeshadow and my transition, all those colors just kind of pop and come together, you guys. This is going to really give me the ultimate wedding look. All right, you guys, once I am done with that cut crease, I am going to go in with that lighter pink color you see there. And then honestly, you guys, I wanted to brighten up the eye a little bit with a little bit of a pink, but not go too crazy. But I'm looking now and I'm just like, okay, why did you do that, Chrissy? Like, what happened there? So you guys, I'm going to go back into that color, into that palette, and lighten it up and transition it back into that softness, because I'm not trying to do a bold look. We're creating soft, classic makeup looks here, you guys. So now I'm going to use that same highlighter palette from Victoria's Secret to give me a nice little highlight up underneath my brow, you guys. You know, just a nice little touch, a little to the eye to make it pop out and stand out even more. All right, now it's time for foundation. Yes, this is my favorite part, you guys. Okay, so I am gonna go in using that L'Oreal 24-hour matte foundation, you guys. It does give me a little bit of an orangey look when I first apply it, but I feel as if this is the type of foundation that has to oxidize, you know, get into your skin and just like settle, and then it gives you a nice flawless look. And that's exactly what it does to my face every time I use it. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of that to my face, you guys, and then we're going to move on to doing a nice little highlight and contour. OMG, you guys, I get so excited every time I use this concealer now. Like, I'm just like, I have to get my concealers in a lighter shade now, because this gives me the nicest highlight of my life, you guys. You don't understand. Like, do you see that mocha chocolate skin, and then you see that lightness of highlight that's about to take effect? It is a yes all over, all day, every day face beat. I'm just saying, you guys. Now I look like a little Indian too. I love it. I'm going to use a mini beauty blender, you guys, to just gently like pat that into my skin. This is going to give me that nice highlight. I'm just telling you guys, if you are my skin tone, darker or medium, whatever you are, make sure you guys go at least 2 to 3 shades lighter on that highlight, especially if you want a nice glow on your face. I'm telling you, it's going to set your makeup, set the tone for your makeup and the look that you're trying to achieve every single time. I knew I should have went with this a long time ago. So make sure you guys go light when you're trying to highlight. Okay? Okay. Now it's time to contour. Okay, now I'm going to use the darker color, which is the contour, you guys. I'm going to go up underneath my chin to give me a nice bone structure, and up across my forehead just to set off that highlight at the top. And then I'm going to go across with Sculpt. Now it's time to bake that face with Kat Von D. Okay, this is my favorite. You know, honestly, you guys, I just need to go ahead and get this actual setting powder to highlight, because I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite palettes. And then we're going to move on, you guys, to blush. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to go in with this color here. This is from Black Radiance. It's more of a burgundy, like a burgundy reddish tone. Not really sure about the color, you guys, but I'm going to set off my cheeks with that, and then I'm going to highlight it with a little bit of the Victoria's Secret Gold Shimmer. You guys, next I'm going to go in with this brown lip liner and this Maybelline. It's like a soft nudie pink. It's from the collections Les Chocolates, from the Maybelline collection, their lip collection. I absolutely love it. It's a matte lip, and it's just going to set the tone for my makeup, you guys. hope you guys enjoy this classic glamorous makeup look, this wedding makeup look. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just definitely make sure you guys tag it down below, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and all of that, and I'll see you next time.